everyone, you're welcome back to FinTech Space. So, in this video, I will take you through how you can work around your rows and columns, how you can work around all of the details that you have on your all of the details that you have. So I have all of these details just as you can see on my screen right now. So I will just take you through how you can insert your rows or column, how you can delete rows or column or cells, how you can hide some columns or some rows, and how you can resize your columns, your rows, and the like. So without further ado, let's get started. So now I have this detail right here on my screen. So just for the sake of emphasis, mind you, what you have here, you have A, B, C, D. So your columns are actually numbered or named with alphabet. So A, B, C, D till you have it double here. So you can see you have X, Y, Z. You have A, B, A, C, A, D, A, E. So that's to show you can continue this till your Excel keeps continuing like that. So here you have A, Z. So it's starting again, B, A, B, 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 C. So it keeps continuing. It continues just like that. So what I want to do here is actually that I want to insert another column right before this state where I have this column that I've selected. I want to insert another column before it. So what do? Just come to where you have B here and click on it. So you can see the drop down arrow. So if it is D, click it, but this is where I want to actually insert column. I want another column right beside it. So I'm selecting B. So now once you select it, just right click on that column that you have selected, and then you will have all of these options. So you have insert. So click on insert. So now you have another new column that have been added to you. All right, now I want to also insert another column before total sat. I want to have another column. So just the way we did for previous one, just come to where you have your F, and you can see the drop down arrow, click on it, and then right click on what you've selected and click on insert. So what do you see? So you've inserted two different columns. So now let's insert rows. So now I want to make sure that, okay, before this number 6 on this number, I want another rows to actually come in. So what you are going to do is you have your rows that has been numbered. That is your vertical has been numbered. So now that it's been numbered, just click on where you actually want to insert that new column. Once you're done with that, right click again and then click on insert. So you can see you've inserted another row, and that cuts across every other data. So here also you want to insert another row, click on that number on this side, and then it selects all of the rows in that space, and then you right click and click insert. So just as you have on my screen right now, so you've already inserted two new rows. So mind you, if you do not want all of the details to actually cut across what you have here, there are also ways in which you can also get to delete or insert what you want without affecting other information. So just as you have here now, you can see the new space or the new row that I created cut across all of these details that are on this column. But that is not actually what I wanted. So let's say, okay, what I wanted is just, I don't want all of the rows I want to create to go beyond where I've selected. So just select where you want the rows to be added. So I've selected it now, right click on it and click on insert. So now it's going to bring you some options now. So it's asking you, are you shifting your cells right, or you are shifting the cells down, or is the entire row, or is the entire column? Mind you, the reason for why you selected this range is because you do not want it to cut across any other space on the worksheet. So just click on shift cells down and click OK. So now you can see you only created another or inserted another cells based on where you have selected. So, and it does not affect any other aspect. So you only have your space from here to here. It does not cut across to here, compared to when you did for this site that it actually cuts across everything. Do you get that? So all right, so now let me quickly move to delete. How do you now delete all of these columns that you've created, or all of these cells that you've created? You want to delete it. So what you get to do is just click on that column. You're selecting from the top. So the column numbering is health that you want to delete, and also right click on it and click on delete. So it automatically deletes for you. The same thing, come to select your column B, right click on it and click on delete. So you see, so the same thing, also click on where you have or where you want to delete, right click on it, click on delete. Here also you want to delete, you also get to right click and delete. And also here, because you did not actually create the space to cut through for all of it. So you just select where you want to delete and also right click and click on delete. So it's going to bring you this pop-up. Select shift cells up, so it automatically clears that and it shifts your cells up. Do you get that? So now I want to delete all of this also. So you've already selected from the extreme side, which is the number 14. It makes it easier, and then you right click again and then you delete. So now you already have your details back to how it was from the onset. Do you get it now? So now I want to move to, you want to hide some columns. You don't want people to see those columns. You want to hide it. So how do you do that? So now I want to hide this. I don't want people to see what I have here. So now select the columns that you want to actually hide. So that's the column that I want to hide. So now I've selected them. So once you select them, just right click. So just scroll down, you have hide here. So if you click on hide, what has happened? It has hid that columns from you. So you are not able to see the details that you have in that column anymore on your screen. So if you want to unhide it, you can actually do it in several ways. You can hover your mouse around where you have the cells or the columns that you've hidden, and you can see this cross that now have a double line on it. So it's different from the cross with a single line and now the cross with a double line. That is to show you that, okay, you are now actually on those columns that you have hidden. So just keep on double clicking on it. It will expose it and unhide it again. Do you get that? Or the other way to do it is for you to just select the first column and then the last column against the column that you've hidden, and then you right click on it and you click on hide. So it actually unhides any column that is within that space. So that actually solves that hole. And also, how do you resize your columns? How do you get to resize it? So you have all of this here right now. You can feel that, okay, this space that you have here is too much. Why do you have this space after all of this? Why don't you just have it so straight to closer to the letters that's been typed? So just come where you have your lines here and double click on it. So now as you double click, it's actually it fits the letters or fits the cells to the letters that you have in that column. Do you get that? So easy and so straightforward. So, and also you can decide to manually draw it by yourself, drag it here, drag it back manually if you want to do that. But just to save you the stress, just come to where your column line is and ensure that it is not clicking on drop down, it is clicking on a cross sign, and then double tap on it. So it automatically resize your cell or resize your columns or resize your rows. So the same thing also goes for rows. You can decide to spread it out just as you have your on the screen here. You can also decide that you want to also manually do it, so you can double click, so it also gets to fit in those details that you have based on the size of the data that you have actually inserted into the cell. So you get that? So all right guys, I'm going to stop this video here. If you actually enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel and share with other fellow colleagues so that everyone can keep on learning. All right, until next time, this is FinTech Space. See you in the next video.